Okay, so we're going to be adding a indentation to this flat metal door for this deadbolt here. This is the major manufacturing Pitbull tool. We're going to make sure these indents are indented for the screw holes, but that they don't interfere with the actual depth. Okay, so then you put the outside piece on, like so. It doesn't really thread, it just is really, really tight. This is going to go in the jam. Do not lose it in the jam. Here we continue to use the crescent wrench to tighten it down until the indentation is fully mounted and flush. You can also see how the tool makes two indentations for your screw holes. This is the major manufacturing Pitbull door, latch, and strike indentation tool that will allow you to mount hardware on metal doors where there is not currently pre-existing prep. Thanks for watching.